Good morning, guys. So today I will teach you how to create table using Microsoft SQL Server. So first, use Northwind. Use Northwind. So as you can see, it's successfully. We are using the Northwind. And then next, is we are going to create table and the name you want to name for the table. For example, customers. Like that. Create table customers and the column name. It's up to you on what name you want. First name. First name. And Embarcar. $50. Just like that. And if you add if you want to add more columns, you can use comma and add another column. Comma and last name. Embarcar 50. Just like that. And after that, we can execute. We execute it. So as you can see, successfully we've created a new table named customers with a column of first name and last name. So that's how you can create a table. Thank you, guys.